In this video, we're going to be looking at something very much professional, and that's going to be about digital marketing. Most of us do not even know what digital marketing is. It's a thing which is a lot of importance for the future, and it also had a lot of weightage in the past as well. This is the era where we guys are developing our skills upon digital marketing, and we are keeping our eyes on what digital marketing is and learning about digital marketing. It has a lot of scope for the future. So basically, what is digital marketing? We all market a lot of stuff. Maybe you have to sell a pen to your friend in exchange for another pen, or what. Like, if you don't need this pen but you need money in exchange, you sell your friend a pen. He doesn't even know what this pen is. You have to give him a very nice overview of the pen's quality and like the pen's characteristics, and you have to convince him to buy the pen and like get the money back. This is marketing and this is selling. This is what we have to improve our skills upon. But why do you have to meet a person face to face, argue with him, talk to him, negotiate with him, bargain with him? Why do you have to do that? That is where digital marketing comes in place. You can do all of these, but that is always via online. This is basically where we can enhance our skills, and this is where we can showcase our talent. Even if you're on a totally different field, and if you pursue digital marketing, you can actually have a second or third income. This is what people call as passive income. Your active income is your main source of income, but your passive income is where you earn secondarily. You don't put a lot of effort in there, but you're earning a secondary amount from there. This is basically something of your choice, or something where you can earn much, something with that scope or something. So digital marketing is like, it is, when we look at the history of digital marketing, it's been from the 90s. Most of us do not know that most of the companies, from Apple to Amazon, like maybe Google, Hotmail, Yahoo, everything started during the time of 90s. 1995, Hotmail was released. 1994, Yahoo. 1993, like a lot of companies were there. When these companies, and like there was also a very nice social media platform like Facebook, which was trending during that 90s or 2K time. That was named MySpace. That's where people talk to each other, and they did the work of Facebook and Instagram. That is where digital marketing stands. When you actually open a Facebook page, you can see that there is something regarding you're selling some products. In the olden times, we used to, like, even that's happening now, we are posting some banners there, banners and posters of some movies. We are pasting it on walls, pillars, everywhere to know that the movie is getting released. That was the only source. That was the traditional marketing ideas in the olden time. But in new digital marketing era, we send a poster via online. We see the first look, trailer, single. We have a lot of stuff like that. That's where we release all these. There was nothing like this in the past, and only thing was like those banners, photos, and all those things where we can let people know, the physical copies where we can let people know that this movie is going to be released on this date, and like these are the information and everything. That was the only source. But digital marketing, it's not the case. It's about how good you market a product. Because basically, in 1 minute, globally, 600 websites are being created. 2 million likes are being get from Facebook. Like close to 2 lakh sales are happening per minute. Yeah, everything is globally per minute. So that is the audience, and that is the reach that you get from a Facebook or Instagram or some digital marketing platform. You can buy some courses upon digital marketing, and you can do some certification courses which would help you in your future. If you start at the age of me, you can actually be able to pay your 11th or 12th college fees, or 11th or 12th school fees, or maybe your college fees as well. This is the case. This is where you can outshine everyone and show that you're so unique. This is the future and this has a lot of scope as well. So you guys must pursue digital marketing or anything regarding AI because it is the period of booming. I hope you guys understood the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing, and I hope you also understood what how can you start a career upon digital marketing, and like basically how is digital marketing working. I hope you guys got a clear view of all these. I'll see you tomorrow in a new video. Until tada, bye bye, see y'all. Bye bye, see you later. I'll pursue digital marketing and so do you.